Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Living with Neicey, what's up? And yes, if you've been here before, then you know what's up. And if you haven't, then you're going to find out what's up. Well, how's everybody doing today? I hope you all are doing fine. I hope you're doing swell. I hope it's a lovely day for you. Because it's a lovely day for me. Yes, it is. Well, I got a new girlfriend in town. Yes, I do. A new girlfriend. And her name is Madison Coach. That's what I'm saying. Madison Coach. But yeah. On the real tip, I got a new bag in. And it's the Coach Madison Bag. So, I thought I would open her up with you guys today because I'm really excited about it. Yes, this is my second summer bag, and after this, I hope to be done. I hope to be done buying bags this year, which I think I am because I don't want to be the bag lady, okay? Anyway, enough talk. Let's open her up. Ah, yes. Another bag. The thrill of it all. Yes. Here it is. Coach. It's Coach. I love Coach bags because they are so high in quality. Love them. Madison is not a very large bag, but she's a beautiful bag, and just the right size to put everything you need in her. She's 9 1/4 inches long, 4 1/2 inches deep, and 6 1/2 inches high. So here she is. Isn't she beautiful? Oh, stop being silly. Anyway, yes, she's what do they call this color? Azure, which is a blue, and her hardware is pewter. So yes, and she has the turn lock right here. With a little C. It's all in pewter. So yeah. Let me adjust the camera so you can see what's in her. Okay. So, Madison has a convertible strap. It can be worn as a shoulder bag. Here's the strap. Or she converts to a handheld like this, and she has an outside slip pocket right there. If you can see, you can put your phone in there. Okay. The inside has this nice soft fabric. I think this is a navy blue fabric. Yeah. She has a, let me take the paper out. She has a zipper pocket right here. pocket right there. And you can put some items behind the zipper pocket, just right there. You can also put your phone there if you want, or a wallet. And that's the inside. It's spacious in there for a small bag. Let's see. Yeah. And oh, it's like a double flap here. So this comes up. This is a magnetic close right here. And right there, there's more space to put more stuff right in there. For this to be a small bag, it has a lot of room. So, and you can also put items in this front part here as well. So I think Madison is really cute. Carrier like that, or you can do a crossbody. So yeah, this is a really cute purse. I really like this, and I'm going to be using Madison a whole lot this summer. So yeah. So that's Madison, and glad you stopped by and saw my new girlfriend. So yeah, I'm going out today, and Madison is going with me. All right. So with that being said, hope you like this video. I hope you like this review of Madison. It's a really cute bag. Love the shade of blue. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Tell all your friends about Living with Neicey. And yes, love you and have a blessed day.